Hi there, Attorney Benny here. Starting Tuesday, the day after President Trump's inauguration, he has announced that he plans to have an immigration crackdown starting in Chicago. Now, this is a bit deliberate because they wanted to target sanctuary cities that have proven to be friendly to immigrants. So, this is what you should do if you're in Chicago or if you're anywhere else in the US, because the next raid may be in the next city, right? So whether or not you're in Chicago, listen up. Number one, do not allow ICE officials to enter your home unless they have a judicial warrant. So if you're at home and you hear a knock on the door and they're like, it is ICE, your first question to them is, do you have a judicial warrant? Please note, this is different from a deportation warrant. You need a warrant signed by a judge. If they do, tell them that they should slide it under the door or hold it up in the window so you look at it. You should be looking for 4 things. Number 1, your name should be on it. Number 2, your address should be on it. 3, a specific time frame should be on. And number 4, the particular person or thing should be said should be on. If they don't have this, you have a constitutional right to not allow them to enter. Remember, the Constitution is there. You still have rights. Do not necessarily panic. Afterwards, you can tell them that, listen, I have a right to remain silent. I want to speak to an attorney. So you don't have to answer any questions. You don't have to sign anything. That's a good time to speak to your attorney, call your attorney. So if you don't have an attorney, this is a very good time to get one so that in case you encounter ICE, you know what to do. If you encounter ICE outside your home, for example, at the bus stop, you are going to the store or anywhere, ask them, am I under arrest? If they say yes, ask what for. And at any point during that conversation, remember, you still have a right to remain silent. So you encounter ICE, asking a question, say, I have a right to remain silent. I want to speak to my attorney. We are going to put up some Know Your Rights flyers on our website. It will be available soon, so you can download these cards and have them with you and show it to them. Be like, as per the Constitution, I have rights. I have a right to remain silent. I have a right to speak to my attorney. If they meet you outside, do not consent to any search. Say, I don't consent to any search. However, if they start tapping you down or searching you, do not resist them. Do not resist them. And remember that you also have the right to speak to your consulate. That's all for now. Refer to your Know Your Rights flyer, and I also have other YouTube videos on Know Your Rights, so you can refer to. Be safe. Let me know if you have any questions.